Hello friends, I wanted to show you how easy it is to make a little box like this, a little container without actually having any kind of a pattern. All you do is you take a punch and punch it out twice because you need one for the front and then one for the back. And you can stamp out your image. In this case, I used this set right here, but it really doesn't matter. You can use whatever you want to use. And then what you do is you take a sheet of paper, again, cardstock, and then all you do is you line it up to roughly where you know that your paper will be covering up the bottom part of your little trinket box. So this way you're able to go ahead and fold it in. Again, you put the glue on the edges, you fold it in, you put one side this way, you put the other side this way, and your little box is ready. However, you want to go ahead and stamp out your image first. You can color it in, and you can use just about anything. You can even use a tag maker, just like this. It's easy, no big deal. And all you do, here you go. Here's your tag. Take a piece of paper, cardstock again, cut it, and roughly line it up. You don't have to measure at all. Super easy. Fold it in, put the glue right there, put this one right on, and this one right on as well. And you can go ahead and decorate it with whatever little gadgets you have. You can decorate it first, you can decorate it later, but I actually decorated first. I used a little bit of glitter, and I used these little cutout flowers. I did the background, and you could put somebody's name on it. See? You don't need a pattern. You don't need to measure. It's a lot easier than you ever thought. Just try it.